Hey everyone, I'm really sorry about today's video. When I went to edit the footage, I'd corrupted my memory card, or I've done something techie anyway, and I've basically lost everything on that memory card. But then luckily I still had this footage on another memory card that I was not going to use because I realised that I had the mirror in my face too much, so I was going to refilm it. So I'm really glad that I didn't delete it because I managed to like get a few bits of it for this video, just because I didn't want to spoil the flow of Made Up in May. So I have put this up now. Let me know what you think either way, but I will try to, well, I'm not going to try, I'm definitely going to get some new content up tomorrow so we can carry on with this series. So anyway, I hope you enjoy and I love you lots, and I will speak to you soon. Bye guys.